Hi guys, so here we have a buggy with a Honda CBR 600F engine on it. And the issue I encountered the other day was everything was working fine, everything hooked up. We have the immobiliser and the M351a immobiliser. So it was all working up until around the weekend. Disconnected the battery and connected it back up. Started it up as normal, went to press the immobiliser, but then nothing happened, no beep or anything. So I did some research and found out that it was the immobiliser. We managed to find a wiring diagram, which is that there, of the immobiliser. There are all the pins connected to the immobiliser, which is that. And then on the plug itself, which plugs into the immobiliser, there are numbers on them. I don't know if you can see that. Numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I found some YouTube videos, but it was for a different immobiliser, because there's 3 different types. There's the M357, I think there's the 57V2, there's the 51a. So I rang up a technician and described to him what it was. I have the micro M16 box somewhere here. That. And he told us it was the M351a. So we'd sussed out that you needed to connect 2 pins to get 4 pins in total, connecting 2 wires. 2 of them are to get the starter motor turning, 2 of them are to get the sparks going, and it's all connected with the fuel pump and whatnot. So we spoke to this technician and he told us that you could either buy a bypass which plugs straight into that, which is £35, or you can buy the whole immobiliser with a fob, which is £150. I didn't fancy spending it. I would have gone for the £35 option. However, some YouTube videos said you could just connect 2 wires. So we did a bit of trial and error on some of them and managed to suss out that pin 1 and 4, which is this one here. If you look at the diagram, if you're looking at the pin like that, it's on the top row left hand side, and on the top row 4th one in, which is that one and that one, you connect them 2 together and it gets the engine turning. And then we did some testing with the multimeter, and this is what we'd managed to find out. So as you can see on the top there, that's the starter, and then we did see what was coming through the current 12 volts when the ignition was on, which was that one and that one, and the indicators are that one and that one. And then we'd sussed out that what you need to connect is 1 and 4, 6 and 12, and that gets the engine started. So we did that with some little bits of wire and just stuck them in the end to see if it would work. And then we just cut them off. If you're looking at it like that, that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we just cut them off. Oh sorry, I've got this upside down. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we cut them off. 1 and 4. And then on the front it's 6 and 12, which is them 2 there, and just connected the 2 wires together. Obviously we tried it first We blew a few fuses in the process. The technician said if you don't do it right, if you keep tinkering with it, you might blow the ECU, but we made sure that we didn't do that. And then after we connected them two, she starts up straight away. And there you have it. How to bypass the M351a immobilizer system.